Alright, I'm going to unbox this professional hair clipper set. You can use this on your face, your hair, or your body, and it comes with a variety of accessories. So let's see what's in the box. This one, cord, the hair clipper blade oil, and comes with cutting scissors, and a comb, and a nice carrying case to keep everything in. So there you have it. Alright, so on this side, we have our actual hair clipper. It's in this stunning goldish, greenish color. Nice and heavy duty feeling. Not cheap, that's for sure. All your buttons here. Okay. And then it also comes with all the accessories. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also comes with the instructions, of course. Brush,